What I tend to do in this video today is to show you how you can make money online. I want to show you the potential that is on YouTube. I want to show you exactly how a lot of Nigerians are self-employed on YouTube. And that's exactly what I want to teach you in this video. When you are watching other people's video on YouTube, what you are basically doing is that you are actually making money for those people that you are watching their videos, which is fine. And I encourage you to assist your fellow Nigerians to make more money. But today, what I want to do here is to open your eyes to the opportunity on YouTube, how you can also start making money on YouTube. Somebody may be asking within himself and say, how am I going to make money on YouTube? What exactly is this guy talking about? That's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. I am going to, as we go along with this video, I am going to take you to into the back end of some of the prominent Nigerian YouTubers, and I'm going to show you how much these people are making per month. What the reason why I want to do this is just for me to use this thing to motivate you to encourage you, so that you can also go out there and make videos and start making money online. And somebody, you may ask, how do I make videos how do I make money online? YouTube is also owned by Google, and Google has a kind of program that they call it Google AdSense. With Google AdSense, they give you the opportunity to create content, either being a blogger or a YouTuber. You create your content and you put online. What you are doing basically is that you are selling digital traffic. As people are visiting your website or visiting your YouTube channel, watching your YouTube or reading your blog online, Google also advertise their product. People are advertising with Google. So Google will now place people advertisement on your website or on your YouTube channel. As people are watching videos, they are also watching people's advertisement on your channel. So as time goes on, Google begin to pay you for those advertisements that people are watching on your channel. You become a YouTube partner with Google, and you also start earning money from it. But there are some criteria that you need to meet for you to be able to earn money online, which I am going to teach you as we go along with this video. Like I said earlier, it is a trusted and tested system that a lot of Nigerians are using for making money online on monthly basis. There are a lot of Nigerians, some of them don't have a paid job. They wake up in the morning, they stay inside their rooms, and people think they are doing Yahoo. It's not everybody that is doing Yahoo. A lot of Nigerians are making genuine income from Google and other platforms, even from Facebook as well. These figures that you're seeing here on my screen here, there are figures that I actually screenshot from some of those popular Nigerians YouTubers that I'm going to show you later. I'm going to take you in there to show you live how they are making money, and you see those people that are making this money and how they are making the money. I will explain it all to you. So you have to stay tuned to the end of this video. Let me start by saying that if you are somebody who knows how to talk, whether you know how to talk or you don't know how to talk, as long as you have a skill. What do I mean by having a skill? I see a lot of people that are doing, all they do is to dance. If you can dance beautifully, you can be putting your dance steps in form of video and upload it on your YouTube channel, and people will watch it. If you are somebody who knows how to cook delicious meal, a Nigerian, African meal, or intercontinental meals, you can also design a beautiful kitchen and you teach people how to do cooking. There are a lot of people, you teach people how to cook egusi soup, how to cook ogbono soup, how to cook jollof rice, how to cook party rice. A lot of people are out there looking for this kind of information online, most especially on YouTube. When you put this kind of information out there, people will search for it and they will start watching it, and they will also start watching, subscribing to your channel. Like I said earlier, I am going to give you the criteria that you need to meet before you'll be able to make money on YouTube. He has a criteria. You need to meet that criteria for you to be a partner with YouTube. I am going to show you all that as we are going along with this video. So you just have to be patient and follow me step by step. I am going to take you to the back end of those people that I told you earlier to show you how much they earn per month. The kind of money that these guys are earning, there is no job you do in Nigeria today that can pay you as much as that, even if you are a general manager in that particular company. But it needs a lot of work. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not MMM that you just put in money and you collect another person's money and make money like that. You need to put in the work, you need to put in the effort, you need to work for it. But when you work hard for it, you want it, you actually see the result at the end of the day. It is not in vain. Whatever effort that you put into this, at the end of the day, you are going to benefit from it. That is a good thing about it. It is your own personal business. And the moment you build this YouTube system and your YouTube channel become an authority YouTube, you begin is something that you have built. You're going to be, some of your videos will be making money for like in the next 10 years. People are still watching your videos and money is still trickling in. You're still making money from it. It's just like you build a system that will be giving you consistent income for a very, just like all your life. That is a good thing about YouTube channel. When you build it to that maximum capacity, to the point that it has become an authority channel, you don't need to worry about money again. You don't even need to look for any employment. You start making money on it, but you need to put in the work. That is a caveat to it. If you are lazy, you cannot, you will get to the middle of it, you get tired, you back off. But if you really want to work, if you really want to throw your weight on something, it is something that you can build over the time. Let me take you in now, but let me say one or two things first. Like I stated earlier, you need to do something. You can see how bad the economy of Nigeria is today. As of today, in September, this is September, as of today, September 16th, the dollar rate has increased drastically. That is about, it is about 525 naira per dollars today as we speak today. So this is the best time for you to go online and start making money in dollars or hard currencies. So that is the advice for you. So let me take you in now so that I can show you those people that I talked about, so that you can see how they are making. If you are living in Nigeria, even abroad, you should know this guy. This guy that you're seeing here, this is Brother Shaggy. This is Brother Shaggy. Everybody knows him. And I'm going to show you how much this guy is making. You look at his monthly earning here. If he doesn't make money at all in a month, he must make $1,400 every month. This is a bad month. If he doesn't make at all in that month, this is how much the guy is making. But he makes between $1,400 to $22,000 every month. And I can tell you categorically that this guy makes $22,000 every month just for putting in jokes into the YouTube and people watch it. So let me take you down. You see, let me take you and show you. Today is Wednesday. This is how much the guy makes today, between $38 to $604. If he doesn't make at all, this guy must have made $500 today on daily basis. And this is how he's making every day, as you can see. His website has become an authority website. And you can see that today, Wednesday, 1.1 million people has viewed. He has gotten 1.1 million viewers today. Look at yesterday, the same thing. This guy on daily basis, he has 1 million views every blessed day. That this guy that you're seeing here is a millionaire already. He has an authority YouTube channel. and he put in the work, and that's how you can see this. Let me take you to another one. A small boy, a teenager. This boy you're seeing here is just a young boy, is a teenager who is hustling. A young boy, very small boy, but look at how much the guy is making monthly basis. If he doesn't make at all on a bad month, he makes $907. But this is how much the guy is making monthly, 1.5 $1,500. On a bad month, he doesn't make at all, he makes 97. So you can see how much this guy is making. Let me show you how much he has made today. He has 110,000 views today, and the data is not here yet, but he makes between, okay, let's say yesterday he has the same view. So look at it, he makes between $3 to $50. If he doesn't make money at all, he makes $3, which is not possible. Even 1,000 videos can be up to $15-20 for 1,000 videos. So this guy must have made more than $20 today, $20-30 today. So that's one. And look at this lady here, a housewife who is blogging about food. All she does is teaching people how to cook soup, cook delicious African meal. And if look at how much she's making on monthly basis. If she doesn't make at all, she's making um he's making $265 on a bad day. If not, he makes $4,200 on monthly basis. You see? So if I take you down to show you the breakdown of yesterday. Yesterday he had 406,000 views yesterday. So he made between $10 to $151. If he doesn't make at all, he makes $10. But I doubt even 1,000 videos can give her like between $10 to $20. So this lady must have made a lot of money today. So that's what the reason why I am showing you all this is just to motivate you, my audience. If you are watching this video from anywhere, I encourage you subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell. Comment on this video, thumbs up on this video for me, so that I will see that you are there. Whatever you feel about this video, put it in the comment below. Let me hear your mind about this video as you're watching it. If you have a talent or you know somebody who is talented that you can introduce, you can share this video with, put it in the comment, let me hear you. Or if you have a talent by yourself that you want to bring it to YouTube, you can contact me on the put it in the comment so that I can respond to your chat, so that we can plan on how you can build your YouTube channel. I can help you to direct you on how to build your YouTube channel. Put it in the comment below. So as you can see, it is a very simple way of starting a business online. And one thing about online business is the fact that you don't need to employ anybody to pay salaries. If you make 10 million naira in a month, the 10 million naira is all for you. You are not paying anybody salary for anything, except you want to hire for some people people that will come in to boost your channel so that it become authority website on time. That is the only way you can spend money, and it is just an investment money. You are not only you alone can be making a whole lot of, like these people that I just showed you now. They are the ones, only one making money. So all the money they are making on that channel is for themselves, maybe, and for their family. They don't have any employee that they are paying salary to. They don't have any shop, physical shop, that they want to pay rent for the shops. Their shops is their laptops and the YouTube channel. And you don't pay YouTube for uploading videos on their platform. They are the ones that rather pay you for advertising on your channel. So I encourage you, if you are watching this video, you should venture into YouTube business and start it on time, so that you can become an authority website and start making money from it. Now, I want to tell you the criteria that you need to meet for you to be able to earn money on YouTube. What I am stating here It's not a new information. A lot of mature YouTubers are aware of this. I am making this video for newbies, new people that wants to come into this business. They are the ones that I am giving these guidelines. So the criteria that you need to meet for you to be able to earn money with YouTube is that you are going to build your YouTube to the point that you have 1,000 subscribers, active subscribers. Secondly, you are also going to have 4,000 view hours. The moment people have watched your video for 4,000 hours, you are now, and you have 1,000 subscribers, you are now qualified to be a partner with YouTube to start making money on YouTube channel. These are the two criteria that you need. There are some rules that you need to watch also. Do not invade people's privacy by copying people's video, downloading people's video on YouTube and also re-upload it. That's one thing. Do not, there are some community guidelines that you need to avoid. When you go on YouTube, go to their community guidelines and read the instruction that you see there so that you don't get flagged off. So these are the things that you just need to do. This video is just a motivation to my audience. This is what I bring to you in this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly click on the notification bell. Like this video. Put in the comment below whatever you feel about this video. If you feel that I have missed any information in this video, kindly put it in the comment below so that I can hear from you. This is all I have for you in this video. I see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you.